Hello Techies. In this session, we will test our knowledge on PL500 exam. The PL500 question is, you are creating an automation for a company. When a new record is created in Microsoft Dataverse table, the automation must add the same data to an enterprise resource planning ERP system. The ERP system doesn't have an API. You need to create the automation solution. What should you use? There is a requirement has been given. Before going to answer this question, first if you observe over here, a new record is created in Microsoft Dataverse table. The automation must add the same data to an ERP system. So how can we go ahead and add it? We have to create automated cloud flow over here, right? That is my first requirement. And the second requirement is that the ERP system doesn't have an API. To insert the data or to add the data, the same data which we are having in the Microsoft Dataverse table, we have to insert the same data or add the data into the ERP system. How can we go ahead without an API? That is by using desktop flows. This is our requirement. But before answering the question, let me give you a brief idea about cloud flows, desktop flows, and model-driven app. First, we'll go for the cloud flows. Cloud flows are automated workflows built and run entirely in the cloud. It streamlines complex workflows by automating repetitive tasks, procedures, and integrating them with the services and application. Cloud flows are created and managed using Microsoft Power Automate. Now, coming to the desktop flows are like cloud flows, but they automate tasks performed on the desktop computer. They can automate repetitive tasks like completing forms, copying and pasting data, or opening and closing programs. With the Power Automate desktop application, desktop flows can be created and managed. We have legacy ERP system that doesn't have an API. Power Automate desktop handles interaction with the legacy ERP. Now, coming to the model-driven app. Model-driven app design is an approach that focuses on quickly adding components to our apps. These components include dashboards, forms, views, and charts. With little or no code, we can make apps that are simple or complex. Alright, let me switch to the browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. I have created a cloud flow with the name of ERP Process Automation. So as per our requirement, whenever we are going to add a new row to the table inside my Dataverse, the same data has to be inserted or added to the ERP system, right? Now you can see over here, I have created an automated cloud flow for the Microsoft Dataverse whenever you are going to add a row or modified or deleted. There you can see the change type, I have added it, and the table name is products, and the scope I have given it as user. This is my triggering point. What is my triggering point? When a row has been added in the Microsoft Dataverse table, that is products table, the same data has to be inserted into the ERP system. But as per our requirement, the ERP system doesn't have any API. How can we go ahead and call that? In that case, I'm going to use run a flow built with Power Automate for desktop, where it is calling the ERP system, right? So one is we are going for the cloud flow, that is automated cloud flow. Another one, to add the data into the ERP system, we are going to use desktop flows. These are the two things which we are going to use it. All right. Now let me go back to the PL500 question once again. And there you can see my requirement: trigger an automation to run when a new record is created. When a new record is created in the Microsoft Dataverse table, what is the solution that I'm going to use it? There you can see I'm having three options. One is cloud flow, desktop flow, and model driven app. The suitable solution is cloud flow. But I will tell you one more thing over here. Recently, Microsoft Power Automate desktop has integrated with Microsoft Dataverse. There you can see I'm having the actions such as add a new row to the selected environment, delete a row from the selected environment, download, and many more actions are available whenever you're going to work with Microsoft Power Automate desktop with Microsoft Dataverse. In that case, why can't we use it? because these things are not for the triggering part. In that case, I'm going to use cloud flows as the best solution. All right. Now coming to the second requirement, add the data to ERP system. Right. This ERP system doesn't have an API. In that case, we have to use the desktop flows to connect with my ERP system. Right. Out of these three options, what is the best solution? Desktop flow is the best solution. All right. Let me reveal the answer. There you can see for my first requirement, that is trigger an automation to run when a new record is created, I'm going to use automated cloud flow as the solution. Now for the second requirement, add the data to the ERP system. In that case, desktop flow is the best solution for my requirement. I hope you understand the correct solution for the requirements which they have given as part of this tutorial.